Hey yo, what up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today guys, I'm actually in Panganani Road. Let me show you what happens here. Anyway, so where we are right now, I'm told this is where Hollywood City nightclub used to operate from. A vibrant and exciting place to spend your weekend with friends and loved ones. So this nightclub, they would like close the road and then put a bar, put speakers, and it becomes a club. It was the number one. I don't know if it's still happening. Anywho, we're going straight to. Just go straight. This man is going to bash that side. The bus man. So here they fix any problem.
Yes, here they fix any problem. I've actually used the money for house rent to buy the pump.
So actually guys, like I mentioned, I'm in Panganani, I'm in town, and I am on Panganani Road. So on Panganani Road, there are a lot of things that happens, okay? This is a street for fixing cars. I do know they fix cars, so even if you're just using this route going somewhere else, like these guys are actually going to stop you and identify a problem on your car. They'll be like, the wipers are not wiping, the tires are not rotating, you know. Like, it's a one-stop shop. You can do everything. So like, I don't know if they actually do genuine things or not. But if you've fixed your thing from, if you've fixed your vehicle from Panganani Road, please let me know in the comment section if the guys really did a good job. So I escorted my friend today. I'm chilling from Chalala. My apologies. So today I'm actually chilling from Matero. Yeah, I'm chilling from Matero. So I escorted a friend who came to buy a bumper for his vehicle, and then we're gonna be going back in a bit. So yeah, sleeping in the car.
Sleeping in the car, yes. I feel this thing doesn't work. Like polishing the car.
Because again, after 2 months, it will go back to looking like yes.
Looking at yes. Yeah, I see like this polishing of the car is supposed to be done like on a weekly basis. Oh.
Chijachiba. Hollywood.
Ah.
And they used to close these when they go the cars. They just close this side and this side.
Yes.
Put up a bar.
Yes. We used to come here too much.
You used to come?
Yes. I was a member here. All the bouncers knew me. When I was living in Visi, I didn't maybe I'm a broker carry.
Class icon. I think kuna mkazi usiyoloka 5 pin ukabora kurumiza weka.
But
if you come alone,
because
he's saying at just there where you did at how much is it? At 60 kwacha.
60 kwacha.
Yeah, the one who told him to tie.
Yes.
Tying is not a problem, but let's hope when I'm turning like this, it's not going to be doing things. You're turning. Let's just go. Tapara kuda. Tia ninayo.
So I don't know the logic which this guy is actually doing. What sense is this man doing? Where he puts a barrier now, so he wants now to start now charging people to say we have actually done this, you should pay this one.
Yeah, they like for doing that.
Yeah, I don't give it. I tell them, I mean, when I always wait.
When we were going to Chipata, when we were going to, there were nice windscreens in there. Windscreens. Hapa ungangare hapa.
Vinakujamo when going to Chipata.
Napaza virungisa vikulu ati yani kon vita kwimiri kasoma ngani ma police vavala na ma reflector. Nasiya ko 5
was
ati siyango nini yonse ati but not my coin. I'm like, you do you even have to, a beggar is not a chooser, man.
That's not my coin.
At not my coin, napa samene my coin, but muli 5 kwacha. Natupa yope panzi ngiri. Opuza maningi che. Look at how they've done that, man.
This is one drama komezi choka.
Apa inatokea na panja manje. Ilina kuno konse. Hey yo guys, what's good? So guys, I am coming from Matero, so I just want to show you a night drive from Matero to let me say Kafue roundabout. Yeah, I think Kafue roundabout is just okay. So I'm gonna show you a night drive from Matero to Kafue roundabout. So let's hit it. Let's get into it. depends with what time we're going to start off from LUMUMBA. Oh, like in the morning? You're talking about in the morning as we go. In the morning, you know, I don't know how to wake up early. So if she delays in calling me, it will mean we'll start off late. So it will be a bit tricky in seeing you maybe as we head back. But again, I'm also scared because, you know, like my light has good moods. Today it wants to switch on, tomorrow it doesn't want to switch on. So like tomorrow I wouldn't risk us driving back in the night because I don't know what we might meet on the way. No, if you'll be here around maybe 6, 7, then I can still see you. 10 in the morning.